Hello, one of the questioner 2025 was asked, CKA MEC, types of you are required to install ARGO City in Kubernetes cluster with Helm wheel, ensuring that CRD are not installed as they are pre-installed. Follow these steps requirements at the official ARGO CD. Helm repository with the name ARGO, okay. Reprocessor name you have to give ARGO. Okay, generate Helm template form, ARGO CD chart version 7.7.3 for the ARGO CD namespace. Okay, ensure that CRD are not installed by conflict. The chart accordingly save the generated template generated by ML manifest to this file. Okay, validate and generate this template in it. The rest is not like that. Have to install and run Helm repo to verify the repository. Added check /own/cloud_user or go under -helm.yml to confirm the manifest in generated answer. No KRD are present in the output file. Then this type of question. Now, hello, let's come to the platform. You try to solve this much. I will make it a little bigger, because I have to show the content here. And now what will we do? .io/@arbo5 1 hello, okay, we'll enter. What is saying column? Repo command help arbo forgot to write https or add, okay, add. Sorry, will come after repo, add. Okay, then Arbo has been added to your repositories. Okay, we have to check whether it has come in our repo list or not. So Elm repo list. Okay, great, output of this type will come you, okay. Have to generate LM template. Okay, then in this you have the command iPhone help. Okay, then it will be seen here at the top. What is the template copy? Okay, Helm will generate ML output of chart without deploying in cluster. Basically, it is similar to dry rain. Okay, now we will write ARGO CD, right? This is your release name, right? Whenever you install a chart in Helm, a name that is given is release. Okay, this is on the base of release. We can roll back it, okay? And they are creating the name of CD release. Okay. Now this will tell the location of the chart. What will happen next for us? Which are ARGO and ARGO CDs we will tell the location of this chart, okay? And what format does it have? Depository and chart name, okay? Now write down your namespace. You have said in ARGO CD, okay, and after that version 7.7.3, okay. What is then saying that set crd.install equal to false? Okay, because what has he said? crd.install has asked to keep it false. Well, because customers will not install and you have to place it at home. Which is this output? This output you need. According to what is written in the question, its output was written in the question. alam cloth_user/argo iPhone alam. Okay, it is okay to paste a copy, but first check that this is the path. Is there nothing visible near the Bandu here? Okay, then what we have to do is, okay, and cloud_user, you have to create, and then you have to run the command here. This has been your success. Command run is okay, then we will add it and see. Alright, brother, a lot of things happened on their own. Well, you don't have to apply, because he didn't say it's okay to apply. If he had asked to apply, we would have troubled this applicant as well. But the applicant has said something in this. No, okay, we just have to verify. We have to check it, okay. If you have to check something more in it, or have said in the question, then the custom definition, which is by Griphaven Y, the definition is fine, /home cloud user is its output. Blank should come, okay, it means CRD is not included, and final, we have checked all the things. Home cloud user in LM replist. The hyperhelm in the cloud user in the home is now exiting and no custom resources. Alright, that's it. You have successfully generated the Helm template of ARGO CD. These questions can come without CRD. Alright. Questions can come because things have changed now, so I don't know which questions can come. So hopefully you will learn something from this. Thank you so much.